Today, we're gonna take our old banana that's too ripe to eat as is, and we're gonna turn it into this delicious Korean rice cake squares. We're gonna add rice flour, 쌀가루. We're gonna add mixed seeds, and we're not gonna add additional sugar so that we could keep it super healthy and low calorie. And these rice cake squares are just sweet enough to satisfy your sweet tooth and delicious enough to keep your hangry monsters at bay. 오늘의 레시피, 간단하고 아주 맛있는 바나나 씨앗 떡 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The full ingredient list is available in the description box below, as well as the Korean product links that you could order online if you cannot get to a Korean market. To make our sweet banana rice cakes, we need 3 very ripe bananas. It is very important to use very ripe bananas because this will be the base of our sweetness to our rice cake. Yes, even the brown part is perfectly fine to use. Start mashing them up so that it turns into this mushy, gravy-like consistency. And to this, we're gonna add 1 cup of white rice flour, 쌀가루. You could also use brown rice flour if you want to make it a little bit more healthier. And to make it extra chewy, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of sweet white rice flour, 찹쌀가루. Now, if you can't get this, you could order this online, and I'll have the links below. If not, you could try adding potato starch instead, or just add another 1/4 cup of the white rice flour. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Now this is optional, but I'm gonna add 4 dried dates that I chopped up to give it that extra sweet taste and nutritional value. And speaking of nutrition, I'm also gonna add a tablespoon of sunflower seeds. Here I have 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. And we're just gonna add all this to our bowl and mix away. And it should turn into a nice thick paste like this. Now, if you're not counting calories, at this point, I would add 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract if you want to kind of push it and make it like, you know, dessert-like. But I'm trying to keep it healthy and low in calorie. And as is like this, I'm telling you folks, it is delicious, delicious. And transfer to a small baking pan and line it with some parchment paper. Now, if you're interested in learning more Korean recipes that you could easily replicate at home, make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper, click on that playlist tab and make your selection, and I will see you there. Preheat your oven at 350 and we're gonna bake this for 1 hour. It's been an hour. Ooh, let's take a look. Oh, make sure to let this rest for at least good 15 minutes before we dive in. Ooh, that looks so yummy. All right, now that our rice cake has cooled down enough, let's cut these guys up and enjoy. Sniff test is awesome. It smells sweet. Let's have a bite. Because of the rice flour, it's chewy. It's so yummy. And it has a natural sweet taste from our ripe bananas that we added. And then I'm getting all the crunch from the mixed seeds and then little cluster bombs of the dried dates. Ooh, so good, so good. For moi, I eat this with a cup of coffee in the morning as my breakfast and also as my afternoon snack. I mean, it really curbs the hangry monsters from like exploding. For me, that is. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of these Korean recipe videos you see right here.